Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about the PMP exam questions with answers and explanation, and these sample questions would be helpful for you in the PMP exam. So let's just start friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. So question number 1. Jane is currently reviewing a list of project proposals. All the proposed projects achieve some of the organizational strategic objectives and their expected costs are known. However, Lane cannot execute all the projects due to the funding limitations. How shall Lane determine which projects she needs to execute this year? Options are: select the high budget project and drop the low budget projects, select the low budget project and drop the high budget project, select the project that maximize organizational revenue, and select the project that maximize the business value. So friend, the answer is D. Now why it is the right answer? Friend, projects should never be prioritized based on their budgets. Selecting the project that maximize organizational revenue or selecting the projects that maximize the business value seen good options. However, adding to business value takes precedence over adding the organizational revenue, since there can be projects that add more to the revenue but add less to the business value. Now the second question: increasing the number of resources in order to crash a project schedule does not always cut the time by the same factor. In worst cases, too many resources assigned to an activity may actually increase the activity duration. This is because options are: decrease in cost budget, required additional coordination, funding limit reconciliation, additional risk introduced due to crashing. So what you think friend, the right answer? Right answer is B. Now the reason, friend: increasing the number of resources in order to crash a project schedule does not always cut the time by the same factor. In worst cases, too many resources to the activity may actually increase the duration due to required additional coordination. Other choices are either not applicable or not directly influence the project schedule. Okay friend. Now question number 3. A project manager scheduled a review at the end of a phase with the objective of obtaining authorization to close the current project phase and initiate the next phase. Which of the following is an incorrect way of describing this review? Options are: phase planning, phase gate, kill point, and stage gate. So friend, what you think the right answer is? The right answer is option number basically B. Option B is the right answer. Now why it is the right answer friend? Basically, stage gate, phase gate, and kill points are all referred to a phase and review with the objective of obtaining authorization to close the current phase and start the next one. This is the retrospective review of the current phase. Phase planning, on the other hand, is performed early during the planning phase of the project. Now the option number 4. Question number 4. Which of the following tools and techniques is useful to process work performance data to identify sources of project defects during the control quality process? Data analysis, science model, schedule model, and communication model. So friend, what you think the right answer is? Friend, the right answer is A, data analysis. Now the reason of the right answer is, basically friend, the question is asking for a tool and technique used during the control quality process. Data analysis is a tool and technique of the control quality process used to identify sources of defects. Now question number 5. The requirement traceability matrix helps in tracing all the following except: requirement to project objective, requirement to project scope, requirement to test strategy, and requirement to project risk. So the answer is, what you think the right answer is? Friend, right answer is requirement to project risk. Reason: requirement traceability matrix is an output of the collect requirement process. It is used for tracing requirements to project scope, objectives, and test strategy. Tracing requirements to project risk is not a valid use actually. Okay. Now the question number 6. Which of the following should you not use as an input into creating the work breakdown structure? Bill of material BOM, a project scope statement, organizational process asset, and requirement documentation. So the right answer is, friend, what you think the right answer? Right answer is A, bill of material. Now the reason is, friend, the bill of material BOM is not used as an input in the create WBS process. The other three are valid inputs for this particular process. Question number 7. Which of the following processes are usually performed once or at predefined points in the project? Develop project charter and close project phase, develop project charter and develop project management plan, develop project management plan and direct manage project work. Now friend, what you think the right answer is? Right answer is, friend, A. Reason is basically, friend, the develop project charter and the close project or phase process are used once or at predefined points in the project. The other choices here, at least one process that is either performed continuously or periodically as needed. So friend, I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with the friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you, friends.